Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another quick update on Forgotten Weapons. This is about the long ongoing lawsuit between GWACS and KE Arms. But there's a really cool piece of good news that has broken, and it's directly attributable to a bunch of you guys. So that's really cool, and I'm really actually quite happy to be able to share this with you. So essentially, a little while back, we asked people if they had correspondence with GWACS about things like construction methods, internal structure of the GWACS Mark II receiver, features that GWACS was planning to add in future versions of the receiver. If you had that information, send it to KE Arms, because a lot of that sort of information is stuff that in the current suit, GWACS is claiming to be proprietary trade secrets. And it turns out they were actually telling a lot of people about this stuff openly and freely in the years before they decided that they wanted to pursue this lawsuit. And you can't have a trade secret if you've told people in the public about it. So as it turns out, a bunch of you guys had exactly that sort of information. You sent it to KE. KE presented it to the judge in the case and basically said, hey, look, here's this stuff. GWACS says all this sort of stuff is trade secret, and yet here they are telling people about it. And this is the very important part. GWACS didn't reveal any of this communication during the discovery phase of the trial. When they're required to present what is trade secret, what have they actually told people. This is stuff that if we assume they're just incompetent and negligent, which is certainly a possibility, maybe they just lost track of and didn't realize they had told people years ago, or if we assume that they're malicious, which is certainly possible, not saying it's true, but it could be possible. If they were malicious, it was deliberately left out of discovery. Either way, it is dramatically relevant to the case. The judge has just in the last day or two ruled that all of that information that you guys sent to KE is in fact admissible, despite the fact that it comes in after the end of discovery. So that is being added to the ongoing motions for summary judgment, which are basically KE and the other defendants going to the judge and saying, look, all of these claims are ridiculous. Here's why you should just throw them out without any need to actually go to trial. So hopefully those motions will be ruled on, I don't know, hopefully in January. Seems like maybe a reasonable time frame for it. But the case has gotten substantially better, and it is directly due to you guys answering that request for correspondence with GWACS. So thank you all very much. If you would like to further support KE Arms in this, of course, the best way to do it is consider picking up a KP15 lower receiver yourself. You can order them directly from KE Arms, or you can get them from Brownells. Either one helps. Brownells is able to ship more quickly because they're a big operation that has these in stock. KE, a little more of the profit goes directly to KE, but it will take you longer to get your order because they don't have a huge shipping department to deal with everything. Either one is equally helpful, so whichever you feel like would be fantastic. I obviously think they're really cool receivers and can go into all sorts of cool builds. But anyway, that's beside the point. You'll be seeing video, well, there's already video out on this guy from a Desert Brutality a couple of years ago. You'll be seeing video on this cool guy coming soon enough. Anyway, that's all I had. Hopefully everyone has a happy new year. I have a video about the upcoming changes to Forgotten Weapons as a channel and some cool new projects coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.